Hello, students, B.Ed uh, class first semester, subject psychology. I'm going to talk today about the term psychology, which has been derived from two words, psych and logos. And this psychology term is essentially a uh, a Greek word from a language which they used called Latin, and it meant psyche as the soul and logos the study of it. And this soul, the Greeks believed, was the real inner self of human being. So all such knowledge that could be assembled regarding this soul, which of course was the source of all human activity, uh, was termed as psychology. But the difficulty arose, what is soul? Soul, in fact, is abstract and not objective. Nobody can see it, observe it, and it is something which cannot be discussed because of human observation. And also because soul is regarded as something which is godly, which is religious, and pious. Therefore, it was a great risk for anybody to talk about soul in clear cut terms in a human language. So, in order to avoid this religious uh, approach, the thinkers of the time in the past replaced it by another term, a safer term called mind. They believed, therefore, that psychology should be regarded as a study of mind, because mind also is considered to be something which is responsible for all actions of any living being, especially of human life. Therefore, people thought it safe to use psychology as some knowledge which discussed the actions of mind. And also, it was safe because it would save the philosophers from the anger of the church. And again, mind, it was argued, also is not visible. It is also not concrete. Therefore, it suffers the same handicap, and therefore, being not abstract, being not objective but abstract, therefore, it was not acceptable to everybody as the satisfactory explanation for psychology. Thus, there were some psychologists who tried to say that psychology should be taken as a study of consciousness, because all human activities generate from consciousness. Whatever we are doing it when we are conscious, we are awake. But there were others who criticized psychology as only the study of consciousness, saying that it neglected and it ignored the significant factor of human life, that is, activities which are going on because of subconscious part of human mind, and which is equally important and significant. So, with the passage of time, a new explanation of the same psychology was given as the study of behavior of a person. And this study of behavior, we shall include not only the conscious actions, but even the actions that are due from the subconscious part of the mind. Therefore, psychology was agreed to be a kind of knowledge or a study or a discussion on human behavior, wherein we include all our actions, ideas, emotions of a living being. This means all that we do, all our thinking, and all our feelings come under the study of psychology. This modern branch of human knowledge, it is of course modern in the sense that its age is not more than 200 years. Like other branches of human knowledge which are thousands of years old, like philosophy and others. Within 200 years of time, this new modern branch of human knowledge has tried to surpass so many other branches of human knowledge. And it is a knowledge of total human behavior. Therefore, our behavior, what is our behavior? Our behavior is triangular. It has three dimensions. One is what we do. One is that includes all our physical observable activities, which can be analyzed, which can be verified, all such activities. And number two, all our thinking, because thinking gives generation to our actions, and thinking is an internal activity. Psychology is very much interested about our ideas. All our ideas are very rich and a very precious material for psychology, because it leads to certain very important conclusions. Similarly, our emotions, which are also very equally significant to our life. We are born with certain emotions, certain instincts, like uh, like fear, like anger, like love. These are the emotions. There are many emotions. Some people are of the opinion that there are thousands of emotions. Basically, there were persons or psychologists who believe that there are three basic emotions: love, fear, and anger. So whether 3 or 3,000, these emotions are the source of life, and their understanding is of great importance for any person who, as a scientist, wants to understand and analyze and verify the various colors of human life. Therefore, psychology today has become an advanced knowledge. It is a, it is creating and producing a rich knowledge, and today we should not be surprised that we have different types of uh, branches of this psychology, this branch of human knowledge. For example, we have normal psychology and abnormal psychology. We have human psychology and we have animal psychology. We have child psychology and we have adult psychology. So we have educational psychology. We have, therefore, so many branches have been developed in this part of human knowledge. Thank you, students. Inshallah, I shall be talking to you again on one branch of human knowledge, which of course is the core of our subject, and that is educational psychology. Next time, inshallah, we see you again. Thank you very much.